Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking you along with me for a little study vlog. I have quite a lot to study today. So instead of wasting more time, let's just get started. Okay, so before starting my studies, I really needed to clean my table. Somehow, no matter how many times I clean it, it becomes messy again. And honestly, I just can't properly focus when my table is this messy. So first, I'm going to clear everything that I don't need and set up my study space. And finally, much better. Now that everything is organized, let's actually start studying. So, for today's study session, I decided to continue with Class 12 Organic Chemistry. Organic chemistry is one of those parts of chemistry where I need to properly understand the concepts instead of just memorizing everything. So I'm attending my lecture now and making notes. I'm trying to stay focused and understand the concepts. Whenever something important comes up, I pause, write it down, and continue.